If you want to speed up your newsletter workflow in Beehiiv, one of the best things you can do is create reusable templates from posts you've already built. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create Beehiiv newsletter templates step by step, so you can save time, stay consistent, and make future newsletters much easier to publish. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple software guides like this. Let's jump in. First, log into your Beehiiv account and open either an existing draft or a published newsletter post. This is important because Beehiiv lets you turn a post you've already created into a template, so you don't have to start from scratch every single time. If you already have a newsletter layout that looks good, this is the perfect one to save. Once your post is open, look toward the top right area of the editor and find the 3 dots menu, also shown as the vertical ellipsis icon. Click that menu to open more options for the post. Beehiiv keeps a lot of useful actions inside this menu, and the one we want is the option to save the post as a template. From the drop-down menu, select Save Post as Template. As soon as you click that, Beehiiv will ask you to name your template. This name is what you'll use later when you want to reuse the same layout, so choose something clear and easy to recognize. For example, you might name it Weekly Newsletter, Product Update Template, or Welcome Email Format. After entering your template name, click Save Template. Beehiiv will process the request and store your newsletter design as a reusable template. This is the key step that turns your current post into a time-saving asset for future emails. Now, once the template is saved, you can find it in your My Templates section. This is where Beehiiv stores all of your custom newsletter templates, so you can access them whenever you're ready to create a new post. The next time you start a newsletter, instead of building the layout again manually, you can simply choose that saved template and keep moving much faster. This is especially useful if you send newsletters regularly, because it helps you maintain the same branding, the same structure, and the same overall style across every issue. It also makes it easier to stay organized if multiple people are working on content, or if you want a repeatable format for different types of newsletters. So to quickly recap, open an existing draft or published newsletter, click the 3 dots menu, select Save Post as Template, type in a template name, and click Save Template. After that, your template will be ready inside My Templates for future use. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Beehiiv tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.